Hi there, in today's video we are going to go over how to do a pelvic tilt. Some people, or how to even brace your abdomen, some people when they attempt to do the pelvic tilt, they just can't get it. They just end up arching their back. But if you can't do the pelvic tilt that we discussed in previous videos, I'll link them below, there is one exercise that I've found to be helpful with some patients just to activate the abdominal muscles if you really just don't have a clue how to do it. So, and that's okay. Everybody, you got to start somewhere. So to help find out what your abdominal muscles do, let's get on our hands and our knees. Okay, you're on your hands and your knees, and now what you need to do is pretend like you are an angry cat and just draw your back round like this, okay? What I'm really focusing on is the lower back movement. Notice how it's rounding. It's going from being arched like this to rounding. Now, the process of rounding your lower back actually requires the use of your abdominal muscles, okay? So this is something you could try to help you to know what it feels like to activate your abdominal muscles and do a pelvic tilt. Okay, this is pretty much what a pelvic tilt looks like when you're not lying down. Okay, you're rounding your lower spine, and notice how it brings me from being arched to my back is being flattened. Okay, I'm not really worried much about my upper back right now. I'm just focusing on the lower back. Okay, and then if you took this and you try to lie down again, let's do that. So try and lie on your back, and you'll feel the space between the floor or the bed and your back, and you're just going to round your low back so that your back touches the floor or the table. So you go from arched like that to round like that, and that is how you do a pelvic tilt. Okay? It really just takes some practice. So keep practicing, and I bet you'll get it. Most of my patients who've had a hard time understanding how to use their abdominal muscles, if they try getting on their hands and their knees, they were successful. So good luck, and please leave any comments, any questions in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.